Just testing this video recording software, see if it works. Hopefully it does. Just gonna have to see about it. Sorry if there's like a clicking noise. I think it happened last time I did one of these. I didn't post it because it honestly sounded so bad. Just gonna have to see. So I'm one of the richest here. Basically, the aim of the game is to get as rich as you possibly can. So like, for example, premium coins, you can buy them. And then you can get these things while you start. And like, to get stuff, it's just here. Buying stuff for junior kids like that are like have this much, you can buy them there. And you can go onto the train. Oh yeah, just saying, you have to be level 250 to get in here. And then you buy these. Lowest is 149. I like the train leads you to all the really good stuff. Best thing in the entire game is this card. Prism workings, not as good. No, and also if you make it here, a code to get the prism working logos, simple triangle. You can pause the video if you want to see that. That's all. I'm just testing to see if this works. Now I'm going to leave the game, see if it works.